back. Today, I will be doing question number 2, and this is based on indices. It says, if we have this equals to 1, find the value of x. Now, to do this, we want to express 9 and 27 as powers of 3. Okay, so the base is going to be 3. Now, 9 is going to be 3 to the power of 2, 2x minus 1, multiplying by 3 to the power of 2x, which is the numerator, divided by the denominator. 27 is going to be 3 to the power of 3, x minus 1 equals to 1. Now, simplifying the numerator, here we have 3 to the power of 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. 2 times negative 1 is going to be negative 2 times 3 to the power of 2x all over 3 to the power of 3 times x is going to be 3x. 3 times negative 1 is going to be negative 3 equals to 1. Now, here, there's a rule of indices that says that when we have a to the power of m, multiplying a to the power of n, this is going to be a to the power of m plus n. So you're going to add the powers together. Now, doing the same thing here, we're having the same base, so you can add up the powers. So we have 3, so the power is going to be 4x minus 2 plus 2x. The division can be written as 3 to the power of 3x minus 3 equals to 1. Now, there's another rule of indices that says that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. So the division is going to turn to negative. Now, doing that here, we're having the same equal base of 3. Now, look at this. 4x plus 2x here is 6x minus 2. The division is now the negative sign. In parentheses, we have 3x minus 3 equals to 1. Simplifying this, here we have 3 to the power of 6x minus 2 minus 3x minus times minus is plus 3. 1 can be written as a base of 32, which is 3 to the power of 0. Now, the next thing to do is, when we have equal base, you can equate the powers together. So here we have 6x minus 3x minus 2 plus 3 equals to 0. And here we have 6x minus 3x is going to be 3x. Minus 2 plus 3 is going to be plus 1 equals to 0. And here I'm going to have 3x equals to negative 1. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, which is 3. So here we have x to be equals to negative 1 over 3. And if you look at the options we have here, you can see that our right option is going to be option B. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe so that you can see question number 3. Thank you. Bye.